it was just the easiest move. It was like a perfect move. I mean, that's all it was. It was a perfect move and just easy.
We have moved many a times, and they all suck. This is the first time we're moving, and there's other people
doing it for us.
It's really nice.
Right.
I feel like a rich man.
You feel like a rich man? We definitely wanted help moving, so we definitely wanted to hire professionals. So we wanted to make sure that we had somebody that knew how to pack so that our stuff wouldn't rattle or get broken, and I think that was crucial to have professional movers come.
We knew we needed help in order to move from our old space to our new space. And so I went online, I found HireAHelper.com. I looked at the site, I went through it. In 10 minutes, I was able to book my job.
We just had so many things going on that I just thought, you know what, we've never done it before. We can afford it, it wasn't expensive or anything. It was totally worth every single penny.
It was worthwhile to us to, pay to have it done so that it's clean, we're done, we're out of here.
Right.
And that has been it's a relief.
There's so many times when you just need sort of the physical help, because you can't do that part yourself. And it's hard to know how to go get that. It's not, unless you have a bunch of burly friends and, they get tired of being the burly friend. So it's nice to have this sort of like, okay, I just need someone to do something. How do I find them?
They were really fast, courteous, and, they were respectful for our stuff, and, made our move a lot easier.
Don't live in a house where your landlord's house burns down and you're forced to move. But if you are going to have to move, hire people to do it. Because it's really nice.
After that day, I just told my husband, when we move, we're gonna go through them again because it was just so hassle-free.
Call these guys. Call them, use them because they are awesome. That's all I can say. They're awesome. They're well worth they're worth more than what they're asking for the job. They really are. It's awesome.